this CAD clip, we're going to show you the quick new search tool in the project browser, Revit 2013, a long-awaited wish list item. So what you can do now, it really doesn't matter where you are in the project browser here, or where the project browser is. You can right-click on here or here or here or anywhere. It doesn't actually make any difference. And then you can do a search, and inside of here you can search for something like, obviously something easy like a door, and say next, and it's going to go down to the door category, and from there actually that's it. It clearly doesn't have any more options. So let's hit close on here, and we can see that none of our families actually have the word door in it. So there's no doors or door plans or door schedules or anything. If there was, it would show up. So let's just do that for an example. Let's make a door schedule. View, and we'll go to, I want a new schedule, and I want a quantity of schedules, and I'm going to say I want a door schedule. Double click, and I want to know the door count and the family and type, and I want to know the door height and the door mark, door thickness, type mark, omni class number. Okay, and I can take these guys and move them up and down by clicking on here and saying move up, move up, move down, move down. So I've got a new door schedule. Hit OK. There is my door schedule. Okay, and that's going to show up inside of here, and it's called door schedule. So if doesn't matter, I could be down inside of here somewhere, and I can right click and say search. Oh, I'm off screen. Zigzag, see search, and I'm going to search for door and say next. It's going to find that door schedule. Next, back down to here, door, next, and then it says it's finished. Okay, so we can again pick up where we left off, and we can look for profile. Do I have any profiles? Next, yes, profiles, gutter profile. That's it for that. What about the word level 1? Can it find that in there? Next, ceiling plan level 1, mechanical floor plan level 1. Oh, that's it. What about roof? What do we have with the word roof in it? Next. So we have a roof category. We have a basic roof family. We have a roof soffit family, and that's it. So we don't have a roof plan. What if we made a roof plan? Let's close this off. Okay. Let's take our architectural floor plans. Do we have a site plan? I want to duplicate the site plan. Here's a perfect example. So I'm going to right click in here, search for the word site. Next. There it is, coordination view, site. See how I use that? Because that's the view I want to use to make my roof plan. So imagine trying to thumb through and trying to find where is that site plan. Boom, this is so fast. It's amazing. Okay, it's just like we're going to seriously wonder how we ever got by without it. Is there any other site related stuff? Next, site. Oh, site category. There's pads and stuff. That's it. And then I can go previous, back to my site floor plan and close. Now I'm going to take this site plan and I'm going to duplicate it, maybe with detailing. It's going to create a copy of that. I'm going to right click on there, and I'm going to rename that, and I'm going to call it roof plan. Okay, someone else does that, who knows? We're using work sets, and now I'm down here in my sheet views maybe, and I'm opening up this view, or I'm on this sheet. I can right click and use the search tool, which is just a little off screen. You can do that yourself. So at the bottom is search, and I'm going to search for the word roof. Next, roof category, roof family type, roof soffit object, and look, floor plan, roof plan. So it's found it. So basically you can use this wonderful, super cool search tool to search through all of your content within this browser. So anything that's inside of here, okay, do we have any groups? We don't have any detail groups, okay? Or, families and stuff. So fantastic tool. Just right click anywhere in here and say search. Okay, notice there's, depending on what you click, you might get different options. Okay, floor plan, if you pick the type, you get search. If you click on here, you get a bunch of different options. So this is a view, whereas this is a property of the view. And that's the thing you have to realize. This is a view over here. This is just a property of the view, and this is also a property of the view. This is the discipline. This is the type. This is the view name right inside of here. So feel free to go through anytime you want. Right click on here, do a search. Search for the word mullion and hit next. There it is. We've got curtain mullion category, circular curtain mullion, L curtain mullion, etc. So it'll search for families, it'll search for views, it'll search schedules, it will search sheet names, legends, all of that good stuff. So we are very happy. Thank you, Autodesk, for giving us the search tool in the project browser for Revit 2013.